Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you guys how to create a 3-step infographics like this in just PowerPoint. This is the tutorial number 179 guys, and this is going to be a different tutorial because you can see how beautiful is this infographics looking like guys. So before start creating it guys, I would like to request you guys, if you are new on this channel and watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also share the video with your friends and family so that they can also get benefited from this, and use this, download this free PPT for their own projects. Okay, so the download link I will provide in the description section guys, and from there you can download this PPT. You can also make a small contribution to make us motivated to create stuffs like this. The payment link I will provide you in the description section, so you can check out there guys. Okay, so before wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So you have to click on the insert option. Here you will find the new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide. Now I will copy the color sample from the previous slide by pressing Ctrl C and paste it over by pressing Ctrl V on the new slide. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to create a shape like this. Okay, so first I will show you how I have created these elements. So I am going to ungroup these elements, and after ungrouping it, so first I have to make it ungroup guys. So right click over here and click on ungroup item, and you can see this is the first shape, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and these two triangles, and this is the sixth. So these are the elements we have to create to get a shape like this. Okay, so we'll start from making this particular rounded rectangle shape guys. Okay, so I'm going to create this rounded rectangle. So click on shape and choose a rounded rectangle guys, and drag it over here like this. Okay, and now make the corner more sharper, like you will get a yellow dot over the left dot, so you just have to drag it leftward to make it sharper. So I am going to drag it something like this much and remove the outline. I'm going to click no outline option over here. Okay, sorry, I'm going to choose this color for the background. Okay, now we'll fill this particular shape with the color. So to do that, I'm again going to choose a solid fill option, and to do that I'm going to use eyedropper, and here you can see in the color sample you will find a color like this one. I'm going to fill this shape with this particular color. Okay, now it's time to create this shape over the top. So to do that, I'm going to click on insert option. Here you will find this particular option. So just click on that and drag a shape like this. Now flip it vertically and put it over here. Let me take the reference of the. We don't need to flip it vertically guys. Sorry. Put this shape over here. Now drag this yellow dot to make the shape more rounded. Just zoom in and remove the outline. To remove the outline, you can choose shape outline option, no outline. Now click on insert option, and here you can choose the right triangle option. So just click on right triangle option and drag a triangle, make it no outline guys, and just fill it with a different color for now. Later on we will change the color. Now you have to put it over here and adjust these corners like this. Now I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this red triangle by pressing Ctrl D on the keyboard and rotate it, flip it horizontally. After flipping it horizontally, I'm going to place it over here guys on the left side. Now we're done with this shape, so I'm going to zoom out from here and now it's time to create this shadow effect over here. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will click on shape option, and here you will find this particular option. So just click on that and drag a shape like this. Press Ctrl D, rotate it to the 90 degree. So I'm going to rotate it right 90 degree, and also flip it horizontally. So I'm going to flip it horizontally and place it over here, guys. Okay, you can drag this yellow dot to make it more slanted like this. I'm going to zoom in so that we can see the corners clearly. Now I'm going to remove the outlines by clicking on this outline option, and now it's time to place it something below this and drag this yellow dot something like this, and just drag this shape something like this. Now right click over here, choose format shape option, and choose a gradient fill for this shape. So you have to change the type to linear from the radial. Now after choosing this, you can choose these two shapes, these two colors. For the left color, you can choose this color, and for the right, you can choose this color. It is automatically fetching the color from the previous slide, because I recently used these two colors for providing a shadow effect to this shape. Okay, so now we have to change the angle to this. Okay, now I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this shape by pressing Ctrl D and rotate it left 90 degree. Or you can manually rotate it to the left 90 degree like this. And now I'm going to flip it horizontally. So I'm going to flip it horizontally like this and put this shape over here. Now adjust its corner like this, and I'm going to adjust it like this. Now it's fine, guys. So I'm going to zoom out from here, and you can see I have created all these two shapes. Now we have to create this particular shape. So to do that, I'm going to duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D, and by pressing Ctrl Shift, drag it inward to make it smaller like this. And now I will put this shape over here, just in the middle. Okay, so now our shape is ready. You can see we have done with the shape. So I'm going to select all these shapes and press Ctrl G. Now it's time to fill these shapes, different elements with the color. So I'm going to fill this shape with this blue color. So I'm going to choose eyedropper and choose this color from the color sample. For these two red rectangle, I will use some gray color. So we will choose these two triangles, and use this color. Okay, and for this I will use the same color which I have used for this particular shape. Okay, so now we have to copy these text as well as these icons from the previous slide by pressing Ctrl C, and paste it over here by pressing Ctrl V on the keyboard. Just put these text over here and zoom out, guys. So now I will press Ctrl G to make a single group of these elements, and now press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy, put it over here, and again make a duplicate copy and put it over here. Now fill the different shape with a different color. So I'm going to use this blue shape, and I will also fill this particular shape with this blue shape. Now for this third shape, I'm going to use this particular black or maybe some blue color, dark blue color, and for the bottom I'm using the same color. You have to do the same with this heading text. You will have to use the same color as you have used in the shapes. So I'm going to use this color, and you can use the different types of icon for the different slides. So let me show which type of text I'm using in this particular slide, guys. So I'm using Aparajita, the same text. This is my favorite text. You can use the different type of text in different type of slide. Okay, so I'm using Aparajita and the size is 10, and for the heading I'm using the Rajdhani and the size is 16. For this particular text I'm using this particular font style. So this is all the shapes you're going through. So I'm going to press Ctrl G to make a single group and say align in middle. So align in middle, and then I will say align in center. So align in center. So we are done with this shape, guys. So that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching the video.